Hyundai bought Boston Dynamics. I don't know if you saw this news, $1 billion. Now, Boston Dynamics, kind of interesting, was at one point part of Google, and then Google sold Boston Dynamics. I guess it was to SoftBank, and now SoftBank has sold it to Hyundai, who continues to invest in robotics. Of course, we have experience with Boston Dynamics on the channel. We did the video on Spot, dramatic, philosophical video approaching an intelligent, moving piece of technology like Spot. I mean, Spot is incredible. Spot was a heck of a product, and if I was somebody like Hyundai, I'd be looking to acquire that as well. Whoever is responsible for creating something like that, I want to acquire that. If I'm trying to get into robotics myself. And
yeah, it could be part of their logistics in the building cars, like automation.
I think they have aspirations of going beyond the car as well.
Right.
Into other devices and I mean, in Korea they make all kinds of stuff. I think they make medical equipment and like farm equipment, like Hyundai and
the Samsungs and the LGs do that too.
Yes,
they make various products.
There's only so many that get exported to places like North America, but I think they're going to be thinking about robots for distribution facilities, industrial robots. I mean, if you're a car company, you're pretty well poised to approach those markets as well. So think about that. Car companies are big purchasers of robots also for the assembly line. Not necessarily spot robots, but giant assembly robots.
Yes.
So that might give them some strategic advantage in developing new cars and new assembly lines as well in taking on Boston Dynamics. Anyway, they paid a boatload of money, $917 million US, just short of $1 billion. And it's supposed to be finalized December 10th. Is that right now? December 10th. The companies have been discussing a sale since at least early November, supposedly. So, yeah, we'll see what they're able to develop together. But it is kind of a curious one. Google moves on from the robot biz, and then Hyundai doubles down. They had vowed to invest up to $1.4 billion into the robotics industry by 2025. So here's a big chunk of it right off the bat for 2020.